Today, we will discover how to use our momentum scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. We will cover every detail of taking trades with the top-down analysis, weekly, hourly, and minute-based charts. If you are ready for this, let's start now. Okay, let's talk about the UNFI coin and how I traded this coin before the rally happens with my masterclass methods. I will try to explain everything from the beginning so you can get great knowledge and improve yourself. So, I was basically checking the markets today before trading. Stocks were really bad and weak. Gold was weak and the Bitcoin was really weak with a 2% daily drop. So, all the markets indicate to me that today is not a great for bullish momentum trading. So, I wanted to skip the trading today and do something else, but I wanted to check the coins once at least. Now, this is a live footage of today's trade. This is a live analysis before the rally and not a replay. As you can see, everything is moving dynamically. All I did here was I sorted the coins and started to check the masterclass 3 layout system to trade. As you know, today was really weak, but the momentum layout in the middle showed me something interesting with this coin. So I decided to check this coin and take a small yo-yo trades with lower risks. Let's make a very deep analysis now. So, in the weekly chart, what I have noticed was this gigantic failed weekly imbalance. And this 5-week non-stop rally. As you can see, this coin is dominated by the buyers. They pushed the price from $2 to over $3. All I want to do, make small trades with the buyers. In the momentum chart, I have noticed that price has dropped to this multi-supercharge point. Basically, 30-minute imbalance, 45-minute imbalance, and the 1-hour imbalance points. And this yellow point was an intersection of all 3 time frames. Still, today was a really weak in all markets. So I had to be really careful. Now let's see what happened in the lower time frames. So, in the lower time frames, I was waiting for some sort of confirmation. I was not really waiting for a rally strategy this time due to the weak markets. I wanted to see market structure break for a stronger confirmation. So, right after our supercharge point, this price is also supported by a 2-minute imbalance and the support and resistance flip area. All these were great signs for me. Once I saw the market structure break right here and a nice large imbalance, I took the trade. I made a small injection with a yo-yo entry, risked less money and waited for a classic 2% to 4% gain, and got out with 3% move. This trade did not make much money, as you can imagine. All I wanted was to practice my trading skills and improve my trading with horrible market days like this one. Just like you, I learn and improve every single day. And the only way to improve yourself is consistent daily practice. Okay friends, new week started. I wish good luck to all of you. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.